Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Ellen. Can you believe the kids are heading back to the classroom? Oh my goodness, this whole summer went by fast. Do y'all remember the Star Crunches? They're little round cookies filled with chocolate and Rice Krispies. So that's what I'm going to make, a Copycat Star Crunch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these and perfect for your kids' lunch. And once you make these and taste these, you'll never buy store-bought Star Crunch again. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, S'mores Cookies. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your Rice Krispies, your chocolate chips, and your caramel bites, sugar, because we're about to make some Star Crunch Cookies magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over low heat. We're going to add in a half a cup, which is 1 stick, or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, or you can use salted butter. And into our butter, we're going to add in a 1 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate, or you can use the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Next, we're going to add in a 1 11-ounce bag of caramel bits and 1/4 of a cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. And we're going to stir them until they are melted and smooth and creamy, about 5 minutes. All right, my friends, the chocolate chips and caramel bits is melted. See how nice and smooth that is? That's what you want. All righty. Now we're going to add in a 1 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. And stir until it's well blended. And we're going to let the marshmallows cook until they're smooth and it's melted. And as soon as they melt, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the marshmallows has melted. See how nice and smooth that is? Excellent. This is my own little twist. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, which is a cupful, and stir that in. And last but not least, we're going to add in 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal and stir until it's evenly coated. All right, my friends, I am through stirring my cereal. Now we are ready to form them into cookies. And over here, I have a 9 by 13-inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. Over here, I have my cookie scoop, and I sprayed it with cooking spray so that way it won't stick. So we're going to take a dollop of the cereal mixture and just scoop it onto the cookie sheet. And using my fingers, we're just going to turn it into a ball. And using my spoon, we're just going to press it down. And make sure you spray it with cooking spray so that way it won't stick like we did using the cookie scoop. Just like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got all my cookies together and this recipe makes about 24 Star Crunches. So all we do is let them sit for 1 hour. All right, my friends, there you have it. Copycat Star Crunch cookies. Doesn't that look good? And I want to show y'all how nice and set they are. Perfect. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I've got my plate over here and I have 3 Star Crunches. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at this texture. Soft and chewy. Gooey. Oh, this brings back so many memories. Miss my childhood. These homemade Star Crunches are divine, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Star Crunch Cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and have a great school year.